Now, I wanted to put this video together because I wanted to show you how you can use social media to drive engagement, but ultimately leads for your plantation shutters business. So I'm going to dive right into the doc itself. So just follow along with me and you're going to get right at the end some done for you posts, so you can just copy and paste them and add a photo or two if you like. So let's get into the document and see exactly how this all comes together. So this is the done for you social media posts that drive engagement and leads for your plantation shutters business. And getting yourself noticed on social media can be massively time consuming. Plus, if you don't really know what you're doing, the long-term results won't be great at all. However, after running my own plantation shutters business, we've been able to test out what works and what doesn't. Over the years, Facebook's organic reach, now organic reach meaning how many people see your content without running advertising, has declined. This was because to begin with, having a post was enough. Then showing pictures got results, and as Facebook developed, it allowed videos to be posted. So the organic reach favored video over pictures, and of course Facebook Lives came along, and this gives people reach even more of a big push if you're using that too. However, it's worth noting that Facebook is a business driven by advertising, so each time they had a new way of posting and that was brought out, they were also developing the ways that people could advertise. And of course, organic reach has declined over the years in order to push us, the business owners, to their paid advertising services. But it's not all bad news, okay? So if you use a good posting strategy, stay consistent, then you can still grow a following, and more importantly for us, drive leads and sales. Now, you should at the bare minimum have a Facebook business page for your business, and if you don't know how to do this, then a quick Google search will walk you through the process. But let's get back on the point. So this is how we generate the leads. What we need to do, we need good content to post. Now that's going to be pictures or videos, a Facebook business page to post them to, mentioned that before, decent sales copy. Now we're talking not hard sell, but a few call to actions sprinkled in, like maybe call us or check out our website or book an appointment, those sort of things. You don't have to do them every time, just sprinkle them in. And of course, a regular timetable for posting. You should be able to handle the photos yourself, so make sure you take photos of your installations. And as mentioned before, having a Facebook business page set up and ready to go, and of course you've got to have that. Now, as I said, at the end of this page, I'm going to list 30 content ideas that you can run with. Change them up a little to suit your business, add your website address or business phone number, whatever you wish. And as far as a timetable, it's really up to you. You could post every day, 2 or 3 times a week, or even just once a week if you wanted. It's worth noting that Facebook likes it when you mix up the post types, right? So remember that even a photo can either be landscape or portrait, for example. Okay, so when you're taking those with your phone, make sure you know which way round you're holding your camera on your phone, or how you're holding your camera if you're using a proper decent camera. Now it's exactly the same for video content, right? So when I'm shooting this video, I'm shooting in landscape, but then I might trim it down and put it in portrait mode as well, which depending on what platform you're seeing this is going to be depending on what you're seeing. Now, I've seen plenty of people shoot video without showing the face or simply putting a collection of photos together in a video using templates. So it's not all that hard to do. In fact, there are so many apps out there right now to help you with this. TikTok has templates. There's an app called CapCut that a lot of people are using and getting good results from as well. So it's, like I said, it's not hard to do. Now you can send these over to your marketing team and watch the difference it makes. Honestly, they should have been doing this sort of stuff from the begin with, but no worries, better late than never. Now, if you want this entire document with all of the done for you posts on, just send me a DM on Instagram. I'll put the address on there. So it's Instagram, Shutter Digital Services, or on Facebook, again, Facebook, Shutter Digital Services. You should be able to find me there. Or if you've got this if you've got this document, you can just click ahead and go for it. And one last thing, if you'd like a free one-on-one consultation on how to grow and scale your plantation shutters business, then just head over to our website, shutterdigitalservices.com, and that way you can book a date and a time to suit you. Right, that's enough of that. Let's get into the social media posts which are done for you. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and read all of these to you. You can see them on screen and you can tell exactly which ones are going to be good for you, and you can schedule them out. Like I say, if you're scheduling out once a week, this is about 30 weeks worth of sales copy, and just add your photos to it. And notice as well, I've gone ahead and put in some of these tags as well. You can change the tags, or the hashtags should we say, depending on your area and whatever you want to put in there. So there's a whole bunch of them in there. Now, as I said before, if you want this document, then go ahead and drop me a DM on Instagram or drop me a message on Facebook, and I'll get these things out to you as soon as possible. Right, so that's the end of this video, and just remember to post consistently, engage with your audience to maximize the effectiveness of your Facebook marketing efforts, and of course you can use it on Instagram and any other social media as well. And as mentioned, like I said, you can get this entire document for free. Just makes it easier to copy and paste. Just drop a DM as explained before. And of course we could also get all these loaded up for you on our social media planner, if you wanted to do that, and make it as long as you like as well. So go over that on the one-on-one call if you decide to book one of those, and until next time, I'll speak to you again soon.